Hey everyone, I want to share with you how to use voice typing in Google Docs. This tool in Google Docs is very useful in preparing for any worksheets, classwork, modules, activities, or any printed form that you want to use as a resource for your students. So, in order for you to save time, just use this voice typing tool. I'll show you how. The first thing that you have to do is to open a document in Google Docs. So click new document, and then of course you will have a new document. For example, I opened up already for you. And then to enable voice typing, I'll click that first so I can show you. Go to tools and then click voice typing. So there's a microphone here that will appear. That means you're ready to speak. Okay, but make sure that the language that you want is available in the voice typing command. Okay, so if you're new in voice typing, like for me, I'm not using everything because I only use those that I know. You can always go to this question mark button here for help. Okay. So there are many steps that you can do or use for your voice command. So you can select text, you can format your document, you can edit your document, you can add and edit tables, and so on. You can explore that on your own. So let me show you um, simple examples that I can do, simple commands that I can do with voice typing. For example, my topic that I want to type is in rock cycle. Why do we study rocks? Okay, and I want to type that. I have to click the microphone, delete. So I just deleted it. Why do we study rocks? Question mark. All earth processes, such as volcanic eruptions, comma, mountain building, comma, erosion, comma, and even earthquakes involve rocks and minerals. Period. New paragraph. Rocks contain clues about the environments in which they were formed. Period. For example, if a rock contains shell fragments, comma, it was probably formed in a shallow ocean environment. Period. So those two lines or paragraphs were easily made for me. And I can edit this using some common voice commands because, for example, I have an accent and there are um, sometimes the microphone cannot recognize my voice. Okay, so I could edit this. For example, I want to use bold. Okay, this command here, for example, the word earth. Okay, I'll say bold. Okay, so the word earth is in bold letters. For example, I want to highlight the words shell fragments. Highlight. You can also highlight the word or words that you like, but the only thing about this is that the only color that's available is yellow. Okay, for example, I want to italicize. Okay, say for example, I want to italicize all of this. I will say italicized, and everything is italicized. Now, what if I want to insert table, for example? Insert table. Insert column. Insert row. Delete row. Delete column. Okay, so I just showed you all the things that you can also do for editing or creating a table. There are many things that you can do with your document. For example, here I have a module that's already made. Okay, and I want to edit it. For example, I want to highlight this whole title. I will just say highlight. There you go. It's highlighted. For example, I also want to make this rock cycle word in bold. I will say bold. Okay. So it's up to you if you want to try using this. But for me, this makes my typing easier and this can save my time. Okay. So feel free to explore whatever you like. And don't forget to practice, practice, practice until you become accustomed to it. Thank you for watching my walkthrough. Have a great day.